So I'm going to describe each and everything. This is my motor. I have used a 12 volt DC motor, which is for showing the fan speed rotating according with the temperature change. And this is my LM35 sensor. As you have noted that this is a temperature sensor which used to calculate the temperature in Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit. So this is my Arduino board, which is the heart of my project, and this is SC05 Bluetooth module, which is used to communicate with the phone with the Bluetooth interface. And this is the small circuitry which I use to control the light sensitivity or light intensity. I also use this whole phenomena for the motor speed controlling. So now I'm going to describe each and everything by doing it practically. Now just see in my smartphone that I have installed an app which is AudioDroid. AudioDroid, as you have seen clearly, I can show you that this is AudioDroid. Download it from your from Google Play and then open it. Its initial interface is like that. You have to firstly communicate with your with the Bluetooth module. I have just go to connect me to the Bluetooth device. Please clearly show it. Here I have two Bluetooth module, as I do so many projects. So I just have to go to the links and particularly search that which one is. Yeah, you have seen that connected to the SC05. Now just see here. Here I have two LEDs which I am going to control from my phone directly. Let's see. Firstly I am going to control its intensity. Yeah, you just see that I am controlling the intensity of green light. According to the slab here, I just move this drag button, and you can see that continuously the intensity of the light is changing. It is due to that because the whole segment is divided into some parts of intensity. It just convert and change the voltage of the voltage across the LED, and so that the intensity of the LED changes. Now you can see that I can easily control it. Now from the next pin 10. Yeah, firstly I have to resound this. This is the red LED. Red LED is red LED also show the same phenomena. Now this is about the analog section, that how we analog how we control the analog phenomena. But if we want to control it distally, like you have to switch on or switch off your fan, you just don't need to fan down its speed continuously, but you can directly switch it on or off. Now here you can see that I have two pins, pin 10 and pin 11. I'm just going to switch it low. Pin when I switch or take on the pin 11, the LED ultimately glows up. Then again it goes down, goes up, goes down. Same with the pin 10, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. Yeah, same. So you just see that I have controlled the whole phenomena from directly to my phone. You just control you just switch some relays here, and you can control your all home automated devices. So it being a very beneficial project for you. Now the next one is that I have controlled that I just use a LM35 sensor here for temperature monitoring. For temperature monitoring as an aspect, I have seen that you can get data from the analog section from the 6 analog pins in the Arduino board. Now I am going to getting the data. I am going to fetching the data from LM35. Now you can see that it is showing that analog 0 equal to 77. This 77 is in Fahrenheit, and it is showing that approximately 77 minus 32. It's about 35. It's about 35. Yeah, 33. It's about 33. It's 33. Yeah, it's about 33 or 35. So the temperature of my room is about 33 and 35. It directly switches. Yeah, you can see that it directly continuously changes. So it shows that there's some changes in the atmosphere by the sensibility of LM35 sensor. You can also send data from here, and according to control the whole segment. Now this is all about my project, and I'm going to show you that how you control the fan speed. Please wait.